In 2023, these 5 programming languages are predicted to be the top players in the tech industry. Number 5. Swift. Swift is a programming language developed by Apple, and it is used to develop iOS and macOS applications. With the growing popularity of Apple devices, the demand for Swift developers is likely to continue to grow in 2023. Number 4. Rust. Rust is a systems programming language that is designed to be safe, concurrent, and fast. Rust is widely used for developing system software, web servers, and game engines. Its popularity has been increasing steadily, and it is likely to continue to grow in 2023. Number 3. Kotlin. Kotlin is a relatively new language that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. It is a statically typed language that is designed to be concise and expressive. Kotlin is widely used for Android app development, and its popularity is likely to continue to grow in 2023. Number 2. JavaScript. JavaScript is another popular language that is widely used for web development. JavaScript is the language of the web and is used to create interactive user interfaces and dynamic web pages. With the growing demand for web applications, JavaScript is likely to remain popular in 2023. And finally, number 1. Python. Python has been a popular language for several years, and its popularity is likely to continue in 2023. Python is widely used for web development, machine learning, data science, and scientific computing, making it a versatile language. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech-related tips and tricks.